viewers. Today I'm at the Cleveland Metroparks Zoo doing a special on animals that live in the Americas. Before I begin, please hit like and subscribe to the video to show that you love animals. Well, the first animals on our list today are golden lion tamarins. The golden lion tamarin scientific name is Leontopithecus rosalia. Because of human activity in its habitat, there may be more individuals of this rare species living in zoos than in the wild. It's adorable. It is arboreal, meaning they live in trees. And it's diurnal, meaning it's active during the day and eats all sorts of vegetables as well as insects and reptiles. International efforts to save its remaining habitat have been successful as has the reduction of individuals born and raised in zoos. And in the wild, the predators of these guys are taras, eagles, and ocelots. And they belong to a family of monkeys called mini monkeys, which includes tamarins, marmosets, and Goldie's monkeys.